right, so here's one topic I want to talk about today. What is a mortgage? I hope you've heard that word at some point in your life. A mortgage, a lender, interest rates. What is all that? Well, let's talk about it. A mortgage is borrowing money to buy a house.
A mortgage is borrowing money to buy a house.
When you go to purchase a house, they have price tags on them. Some are going to say $250,000. Some are going to say $300,000. Some are going to say $1 million. When they're on the market, they have an asking price. If you find a house, let's just say it's $400,000. Unless you have $400,000 sitting in your stock drawer, which if you do, I have some questions for you. My birthday's coming up. Not really. Cut. You don't have that $400,000 sitting in your bank account, sitting in your stock drawer. You're going to need to borrow that money from your bank or from the lender. So how does this work? Let's dummy it down. Let's say someone comes to me and says, Avery, I need a dress. It's $60. I don't have $60 right now. If you lend me that money, if you let me borrow that money, I'll pay it back to you over the span of a year. You'll have your $60 back in a year. Well, guess what? When it comes to borrowing money and mortgages, they're trying to make a profit. So they're not just going to let you borrow the $60. They'll give it to you, but they're also going to have you pay back more than what you borrowed. That's called interest. So they're making a profit in the end. So it's like me saying, sure, I'll give you $60, but instead of letting you pay me $5 a month over the span of 12 months, that'd be $60. You're going to pay me $6 a month, giving me $72 in the end. I just made a profit of $12. But when it comes to the housing market with these bigger numbers with lots of zeros on the end, they're obviously making a way bigger profit. So that's how they make money. You can borrow the money from them, but you're going to be paying interest on it. As far as interest rates go, like I said, people say, I want to wait, but guess what? While you wait, which prices aren't going to go down, interest rates are increasing. That cost of borrowing is getting more expensive. So make sure you get in, lock in a good interest rate before they get way too astronomically high, because we want you to have the best financial situation possible. Definitely get in contact with the lender. Like I said, if you need one, ask me, because they do have special programs out there to help you. There's different kind of loans and interest rates and terms that apply. So whatever loan works best for you, look into that. And I'm just here to help you find the house. But yeah, that's what a mortgage is. That's what a loan is. Loan for dummy. You're just borrowing money. Once again, this is surface level, just something to think about. If you have deeper questions, you can ask me. This is just real estate for dummies. Thank you for watching.